How to use refund money on Amazon. Now, Amazon refunds are usually issued to the payment method used to purchase the item. So the refund you'll directly get in the payment method that you use. So if you purchase from a credit card or a bank statement, you will get the refund within those accounts, and the refund will appear in your bank account or credit card statement within 7 days of being issued. So that is what happens. Within 7 days of your refund being issued, the refund will appear in your bank account. To view the status of your refund, you can go to amazon.com and log into your account. On the top right hand side, you can see the option called returns and orders. When you go to that particular option from the top right, here you can go to the option called cancel orders, and you'll find whether or not you have received the refund for your item. And this way you'll be able to use your refund option. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in our next video.